Today we're going to show you how to factory reset and program a control for your filling system. To factory reset back to the original defaults, you hold all three arrows until it says INIT. Takes about 5 seconds. Once you see INIT, you're going to click the left arrow. It'll say no. Click the up arrow to change it to yes. Click mode. It'll start resetting everything back to its defaults. Now we will go over how to program a controller for filling systems. All you'll do is hold the mode button until you see PAR2. Once you see INT, you'll click the left arrow. Click up to change this to JIC. Once you're there, click mode to save it. The next parameter is unit. We're going to click left to change that. We're going to change this to Fahrenheit for our domestic customers. Click mode to save it. The next setting we'll look for is HSU. We'll click left to change this one. For our standard filling systems, we're going to go ahead and set it to 212. If you have an extreme filling system, you can raise this all the way up to 300 degrees. Click mode to save it. Next, we will go to CND. Click left. Make sure this says PID. Once you get here, click mode to save it. Now you'll set your temperature for your filling system. You want this about 10 degrees higher than your melter. Click mode to save that. Once you've set that, you're going to click mode and hold it until you see PAR1. Click mode again. Once you get to the you're going to click the left arrow. It'll say off. You're going to change it to on. This should show a P, and it'll begin programming your components together, making sure they have even, long-lasting heat. Once this is finished, you're all set and ready to start melting your material.